Let's begin by understanding what public policy entails. Public policy refers to the decisions and actions taken by governments to address societal issues. These policies can range from healthcare reforms to environmental regulations. They are formulated through a process that includes identifying problems, setting agendas, developing strategies, implementing solutions, and evaluating outcomes. Understanding public policy is crucial because it shapes the framework within which societies operate. Why study policy fields? Studying specific policy fields allows us to delve deeper into the unique challenges and solutions within each sector. For instance, health policy focuses on healthcare systems and public health initiatives, while environmental policy addresses issues like climate change and conservation. By specializing, we can develop targeted strategies that effectively address the distinct needs of each area, leading to more efficient and impactful policies. Health policy. Introduction. Health policy encompasses the decisions, plans, and actions undertaken to achieve specific healthcare goals within a society. It includes public health initiatives like vaccination programs, healthcare financing, and regulations governing medical practices. Effective health policy ensures that healthcare services are accessible, affordable, and of high quality, ultimately improving population health outcomes. Health policy. Challenges and innovations. Health policy faces numerous challenges, including rising healthcare costs, disparities in access to care, and the need for technological integration. Innovations such as telemedicine, electronic health records, and personalized medicine are transforming healthcare delivery. Policies must adapt to these advancements while ensuring ethical considerations and equitable access are maintained. Education policy. Overview. Education policy involves the principles and government policies in the educational sphere. It addresses issues like curriculum standards, teacher qualifications, school funding, and access to education. The goal is to ensure that all individuals have the opportunity to receive a quality education, which is fundamental for personal development and societal progress. Education policy, global trends. Globally, education policies are evolving to address challenges such as technological advancements, globalization, and the need for lifelong learning. Trends include integrating digital tools in classrooms, promoting inclusive education for marginalized groups, and emphasizing skills development to meet the demands of the modern workforce. Economic policy. Introduction. Economic policy refers to the actions that governments take in the economic field, covering areas like taxation, government budgets, the money supply, and interest rates. The objective is to influence a nation's economic performance, ensuring stability, growth, and equitable distribution of wealth. Economic policy, globalization and inequality. Globalization has interconnected economies, leading to increased trade and investment flows. However, it has also contributed to economic inequalities. Economic policies now focus on balancing the benefits of globalization with measures to reduce disparities, such as progressive taxation and social welfare programs. Environmental policy. Overview. Environmental policy encompasses the regulations and practices aimed at protecting the environment. It addresses issues like pollution control, natural resource management, and biodiversity conservation. The goal is to promote sustainable development while mitigating environmental degradation. Environmental policy, local action. Local governments play a crucial role in environmental policy implementation. Initiatives like urban green spaces, waste management programs, and community-based conservation efforts are examples of how local actions contribute to broader environmental goals. Foreign policy. Introduction. Foreign policy involves a country's strategies in dealing with other nations. It encompasses diplomacy, trade negotiations, defense alliances, and international aid. The IM is to safeguard national interests, promote global stability, and foster beneficial international relationships. Foreign policy, modern challenges. Modern foreign policy faces challenges such as cybersecurity threats, international terrorism, and climate change. These issues require collaborative approaches and multilateral agreements, highlighting the importance of international cooperation in addressing global concerns. Gender and social justice. Overview. Policies focused on gender and social justice IM to address systemic inequalities and promote inclusivity. This includes legislation on equal pay, anti-discrimination laws, and programs supporting marginalized communities. The objective is to create a more equitable society for all individuals. Gender and social justice intersectionality. Intersectionality recognizes that individuals may face multiple, overlapping forms of discrimination based on factors like race, gender, and socioeconomic status. Policies must consider these intersecting identities to effectively address the unique challenges faced by diverse populations. Urban planning. Overview. Urban planning involves designing and regulating the use of spaces within cities. It covers aspects like infrastructure development, zoning laws, and public transportation systems. Effective urban planning ensures sustainable growth, efficient resource use, and improved quality of life for urban residents. Urban planning. Smart cities. Smart cities integrate information and communication technologies to enhance urban services. This includes smart grids, intelligent transportation systems, and digital governance platforms. Policies supporting smart city initiatives. AM to improve efficiency, sustainability, and citizen engagement. Agricultural policy. Overview. Agricultural policy encompasses the decisions and actions related to the agricultural sector. It includes subsidies, research funding, and land use regulations. The goal is to ensure food security, support farmers' livelihoods, and promote sustainable agricultural practices. Agricultural policy sustainability. Sustainable agricultural policies focus on practices that meet current food needs without compromising future generations. This includes promoting organic farming, conserving water resources, and reducing the environmental impact of agricultural activities. Technology and cybersecurity overview. Technology policy addresses the development and regulation of technological innovations. Cybersecurity policy, a subset, focuses on protecting information systems from cyber threats. Together, they ensure that technological advancements are secure, ethical, and beneficial to society. Cybersecurity, threats and ethics. Cybersecurity policies must address threats like data breaches, cyber attacks, and digital espionage. Ethical considerations include privacy rights, surveillance concerns, and the responsible use of artificial intelligence. Balancing security with individual freedoms is a key policy challenge. Labor policy overview. Labor policy governs employment standards, workers' rights, and labor market regulations. It covers areas like minimum wage laws, workplace safety, and collective bargaining rights. The aim is to protect workers and promote fair labor practices. Labor policy, future of work. The future of work is shaped by automation, gig economies, and remote work trends. Labor policies must adapt to these changes by ensuring job security, providing retraining programs, and updating labor laws to reflect new employment models. Conclusion: understanding the various fields of public policy is essential for addressing the complex challenges our societies face. Each specialization offers unique insights and tools to create effective, equitable, and sustainable solutions. As future policymakers, your engagement and innovation will be crucial in shaping a better world.